want to hide certain photos on your iPhones for privacy. It could be personal photos, sensitive information, or perhaps surprise party plans. Follow this quick guide to add your photos to Hidden Album on iPhone. And if you want to know more about how to lock apps, check the playlists. Open the Photos app. Tap Select on the top right corner and select one or several photos you want to keep private. Then hit the three-dot icon and choose Hide. Confirm it. Now the photos has been removed to the Hidden Album successfully. With photos hidden, now let's check them in the Hidden Album. Go to Albums. Scroll down to the end of the page and you will see a folder named Hidden. Tap it and use your Face ID to view your hidden photos. If you want to make the Hidden Album invisible, follow this step to lock it. Go to Settings, scroll down to the Photos app, tap it and find the Show Hidden Album toggle. Turn it off so that the Hidden Album will disappear in the Photos app. Sometimes, you may find that you can't find some photos after unlocking the Hidden Album. Then you can use FonePaw phone data recovery to get those photos back. It's a useful tool helping you recover deleted photos from iPhone without backup. In the end, if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. More tips about the iPhone are waiting for you to check.